it's mine!
It's mine!
No, it's mine!
No, it's mine!
It's mine! Woohoo! I got it!
But you have all the toys!
Growing up means learning to share. The Colorado River is America's most endangered river, in part because some are proposing to divert more water from the river, even though they don't really need this water. 35 million people share from the river amongst themselves and the thousands of fish and wildlife species that depend upon this water to exist. Many of the threats facing the Colorado River are proposed in Utah, which is not using its full share of Colorado River water, but is proposing to divert the river just to prevent other states from using the water. The $1.5 billion Lake Powell pipeline is proposed by a Utah agency to divert water to America's most wasteful water user. This costly project would divert 90,000 acre-feet of Colorado River water, even though intended recipients in St. George, Utah, waste more water than any other city in the entire West. Water conservation could eliminate the need for the project, but Utah insists on spending billions just so no one else can use the water. One Utah legislator expressed this sentiment in a committee hearing.
The water's going to Arizona and California and Nevada. They're not even saying thanks for it. That's our water. How do we replace it?
Another diversion is proposed on the Colorado's largest tributary, the Green River, in central Utah. Utah has approved a diversion of 53,000 acre-feet of water for a proposed nuclear power plant, even though the power isn't needed in Utah. Yet another diversion is proposed in Utah on the Price River headwaters that would dry up a blue ribbon trout fishery and a 30-mile-long roadless gorge just to provide a third crop of alfalfa hay. This trans-basin diversion out of the Colorado River Basin would also jeopardize the water supply for 24,000 people. Added together, these diversions total over 150,000 acre-feet of water out of the Colorado, enough for a city of nearly 1 million people. But it doesn't end there. Proposed energy production will use even more water in Utah. Utah wants to strip mine the landscape to extract oil embedded in rock by using massive amounts of energy and water. This tar sands and oil shale mining may push endangered species to the breaking point and could contaminate the watershed, impacting people downstream for generations. Worse yet, warmer air temperatures mean smaller snowpacks and less water in the river. Scientists predict the Colorado's flows will decline by 9 to 30% in the future as a result of less snow. The impacts on the multi-billion-dollar recreation industry relying on the Colorado River could be devastating. For Utah residents, these projects come with billion-dollar price tags, requiring more debt and big tax increases. For residents in California, Arizona, Nevada, and New Mexico, these reductions in river flows mean more water rate increases. Where the Colorado River met the Pacific Ocean, a productive estuary once supported 1,000 species of fish and wildlife. Today, this area is devoid of life. But it's not too late. We can restore this Garden of Eden if we can learn to share with each other. Call or email your congressman and tell them to save the endangered Colorado River. Tell them Utah should not be allowed to divert the Colorado just to keep others from using this water, including the other species on this planet.